Our real estate field trip to downtown El Paso was an eye-opening experience. With the help of expert guides from In Situ, they shared with us El Paso's rich architectural history.
Fill up the seats and start sanding up.
After we arrived downtown from the streetcar, we learned about the history of El Paso through its architecture. Our guides, Edgar and Bill, both have a strong hand in the current development and revitalization of the downtown area. Our tour ended at the recently renovated Blue Flame Tower, an icon of the downtown skyline, reborn as mixed-use affordable housing. At the top of the tower, over lunch, we heard from incredible guest speakers, all moving El Paso forward through the power of real estate development. William Kell, COO of Franklin Mountain Investments, shared development plans for the Crest Building. The ambitious plans include building an underground tunnel, bridging the Crest Building to the Plaza Hotel. Our final speaker of the day was Gerald Cichon, CEO of Home. He explained how home developments improve and lift the quality of life for families in El Paso, seeing the impact of this directly with the guided tour of the Blue Flame apartment unit. The real estate tour took what we learned in the classroom and applied it to real-world developments. It was inspiring to connect with real estate leaders in the community and to hear how our education can help shape the future of El Paso. As the president of the Real Estate Club, we thank Hunt Business and its partners for supporting real estate education. Go Miners!